think it's been a great journey over the years. Even if for 10 years we didn't work together after Ashoka, but we've been friends for a long time, and I'm very friendly with him as well as his wife. So we have a long, nice association together, and I think it's an absolute dream come true that he's taken me in his most ambitious film and his biggest film till date. I think it's an honor to have been a part of it. I think Shah Rukh has always had this amazing passion, energy and fire that I think he's had from his first film, and he's always been this energetic kind of superstar. So I think that is something that has not changed in Shah Rukh. It's been there since his first film and it's there in Ravan, and that's what a newcomer has, and it's very rare to see that in an actor. Ravan is one of its kind because of the visual effects that Shah Rukh has got on board. It's the biggest Indian film till date, the kind of budget he's put in, the kind of energy, passion that he's put in into this film, whether it's in terms of stunts, whether it's in terms of songs, whether it's in terms of, any kind of thing. I don't think ever on Indian screen this kind of action, the quality of it has been seen before. I think that this film has everything, whether in terms of action, glamour, songs, emotional scenes, it has everything. And it's just that I have no interest in stunts because I've never been that kind of girl who was interested in action films also. I think it suits the song, and it's supposed to be classy yet very sexy and energetic. And that's what the song is, because the way Akon has sung it is slightly fun and yet very classy. So the kind of look that we've given also in the song is very, I think very classy, and red has always been my color and has always been lucky for me. So I think red suits me the most. I hope so, because I think this film has everything to make it what it is and make it the biggest blockbuster ever, whether in terms of stunts, in terms of stars, in terms of looks, songs, everything. I think it has the potential to be one of the biggest blockbusters in Indian cinema.